Hi besties, greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I want to share with you guys how you can get a brand deals, how you can get brands to sponsor you even when you are still a small YouTuber. Who told you that you can't get brands to sponsor you as a small YouTuber? Even with someone that is less than 1,000 subscribers, even with less than 1,000 subscribers, you can still get brands that will partner with you. Okay, all you need to do is to discover these brands. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to get brands to sponsor you, how to get brands to partner with you even with less subscribers, and I will also be telling you the important thing you need to get ready before you get brands to sponsor you, to partner with you. And I will also be telling you how to create this important thing. And before the end of the video I will also be telling you the website where you can get a lot of brands to sponsor and partner with you. Okay, if you find this video interesting, make sure you watch this video to the end and make sure you give me a thumbs up, like the video. And if you haven't joined the family, join the family, because here on my YouTube I talk about skincare, I do product review, and also share tips on how you can grow your own YouTube account and make money. Okay, so let's dive into the video. So guys, the first thing you need is something that is called a media kit. There is something called media kit. This is very important and necessary before you get any brands to approach you, to partner with you. You have to have this media kit ready. Okay, you have to have it, and a lot of you do not know what is media kit. Media kit is a file, let me say, is like a file, is a file that contains everything about your brand. It contains your brand's name, it contains your name, your information, your contacts, it contains your subscribers, your audience, your demographics. It contains everything about you, you know, what is your motion, your vision, you know, what you are going to offer to the brands, and what you charge, what you're going to charge them. So it contains a lot of things, and I will be breaking all these things down in this video. Okay, so all you need to do, the first thing you need to do is to go to Canva, and when you go to Canva you type in media kit. Okay, so that you will download already existing media kit there, which is a cover that you're going to use. That's just a cover that you're going to use. Okay, so that when these brands approach you, this is the first thing they are going to see when you send them your media kit. Okay, so you download it. When you download it, please make sure you edit it to what your channel is all about. Okay, edit it. So when you are done editing it, you save it, you are done. So the second thing you need to do is to go to your Microsoft Word, any app that you used to use, and write your files, because you're going to create a files that you're going to turn to PDF. Okay, you're going to turn this file to documents. So I used Microsoft Word for my own. So go to Microsoft Word and start. The first thing you need to do is a cover page. That cover page should contain your brand's name, your brand's logo, your mission. You have to state your mission statement there, your mission statement, and contact information. That's what the cover should have. Okay, so after that you're going to go to the next second page. The second page is going to be about you, about your channel. Okay, about you. And guys, you can include as many channels as you want, but for me I am only using my YouTube channel. Okay, but you can use your Facebook, your Instagram account, you can use as many accounts as you are, but use accounts, you know, that are relevant accounts, you know, you post something on. Okay, because you are going to indicate in this files that you are active and a lot of things. Just make sure you pay attention to this video. Okay, you can rewatch it to have a clear understanding. So the second page is about your brand. Okay, so now you are going to write a brief history of your brand. You're going to put a brief history of what your brand is. This is where you talk about what your channel is all about briefly. Okay, so the second thing you are going to put is your mission. you're going to put your mission and your vision statement. Okay, you put mission, you write title, mission, you write what your mission is all about, you write what your vision is also all about. Okay, so you also write what's your value. Okay, you write the second page is your mission, your vision, and your values. Okay, so the third page is brand overview. Okay, this is your brand overview. So this is where you describe all your services. This is where you list what you know you can offer to brands. Okay, like post, like creation, like video creation, like video creation, like product review, like reviewing their channel. You just list what you know you can offer. And guys, please, you need to be very professional when creating these media kits. Okay, so you can make use of your chat gpt for this. Okay, like when you want to write about what your channel is all about briefly, because you need to make sure that you are using correct spellings and you are using a correct sentence. So you can use chat gp. You can tell chat gp, please, can you write me what my channel is all about. You tell chat gp what your channel is all about. Do you understand? So it's going to write it for you, then you just copy it and paste and adjust some things if there's anything to be adjusted. Do you understand? Okay, so you list your services. That's page 3. Okay, then there is something called unique selling preposition, which is USPS. Okay, so this is where also you are going to, in this third page, you are also going to indicate your target audience. Okay, this third page is going to contain the demographics. So you are going to list your audience, like you write audience targets, you write I will show you my own. Okay, so you write audience targets, you write where they are from, like you will see it. Where you can get this is if you go to your YouTube yes, YouTube studio. If you go to your YouTube studio, then you check the analysis, you're going to see these demographics. Okay, so you're going to see gender, you're going to see geographics, you're going to see age, all these things. So you will put them. When you write age, you put where they are from. When you write geographies, countries, you put where, maybe 3 countries that watch your video most. Do you understand? You put them with their percentage. Okay, you put age, you put gender, you put all of them with their percentage. Okay, then you provide evidence, you screenshot, because they would like to see evidence. And if you don't have evidence, they will not take you too serious. You have to create this kit so that it will come out very classy. When they see it, they will approach you. Do you understand? So you provide evidence, you screenshot and put. Do you understand? You screenshot and put. Okay, then you have to go to the fourth page. The fourth page is the media presence. This is where you talk about if you have been featured, if other brands have featured you, if you've partnered with other brands, you can indicate. But if you haven't, do not put it, just leave it, do not put it. Okay, if you haven't, do not put it and go to the next page. Okay, because if you put it, you're going to provide links to those brands that partnered with you so that they can check. So if you haven't been partnered with any brand before, do not worry, do not put it. Okay, just go to the next page. The next page is social media statistics. Okay, so this is where you write, you have to provide your engagement, you have to provide your subscribers, like how many subscribers you have, how many percent engagement you get per video, or you can even do it per week, anyone you want, but it's per video. Okay, engagement rate, you provide your subscribers, you provide your reach, how many audience you reach per video. Okay, do you understand? So this is where you provide it. Okay, so after you are done, the next page, which is page 5, the next page you need to do is the collaboration opportunities. Okay, these collaboration opportunities is just talking about the types of partnerships available. Okay, example, you can put sponsorship and influencer collaboration. So you can put like influencer collaboration, that you are an influencer, you can influence their products, you can review their products, something like that. Okay, so please, when creating this media kit, make sure you make use of ChatGPT, like I said, ChatGPT, so that you write everything will come out very classy. That's what many influencers do. Okay, so guys, after you are done with this, you are going to provide at least 2 to 3 pictures, your pictures, your images, your brand pictures. Okay, you can put if you are someone that talks about skincare, you can put when you are holding a product and you are reviewing a product. Do you understand? Or you can if you're a model, you can put any picture, like just put any good quality pictures, 2 to 3. Okay, you are good to go. So after that, you have to list what you can offer. I'll show you a picture of mine so that you understand what I'm saying. So you have to list what you can offer and how much. For instance, you talk about post, you can say like I'm going to charge 200 if you're upcoming influencer. Like, I mean, if you still have small, like, you don't reach much people, you don't reach much audience. Okay, you are still very small, you can do like a post $100. You tell them that you'll be charging, you have to put it there, post $100, product review video $300. Just put any amount you want. So it's also negotiable. They can price you. If the price is okay with you, you go. So there are also some brands that will tell you for them to give you free products, then you will review them for them. Like, you partner with them, they're not going to pay you, they give you products, you partner with them. Do you understand? You review them. So if it's not okay with you, fine. But as someone that is still starting, you haven't been very well, let me say, well, good with this partnership stuff, you can also accept products. If the products are something you like, you can also accept them and review them. Okay, as time goes on, then you can decide not to accept any product again. Just pay you for your services because you want it. Okay, they pay for your services. So you you list what you can offer with the prices. Okay, then at the end, which is the conclusion part, then you don't forget to put your contact information. Though if you have been partnered before with any brand, you can put their review, their testimonies. This is like testimonials. But even if you haven't been partnered with any brand before, you have videos that people watch, people comment. If you like, you can take those comments and add. But if you don't like, you can still leave it. Okay, you leave the testimonials and review aspect. We can just go straight to contact information. You write contact information, you put your email address, you put your WhatsApp line, and you put your channel link. Okay, make sure you put clickable link and put any contact information that someone can use and contact you. Okay, so put any contact information. So guys, you are done. So after this, you are done. You save your files, you write the name, you are done. So when they approach you, what you need to do is just to send them this media kit. Okay, when you send them this media kit, they're going to go through it. It contains everything about you. So if the price is okay with them, they will go on. If it's not okay, they can tell you, look at what we can offer. Do you understand? If it's okay with you, then fine, you go. Okay, and please, I will always tell you, make sure you go for the things you know you can present very well. Okay, do not go for things you know you cannot because you want money, because you want to do partnership. So make sure you go for the things you can present very well, and also practice. That's why or they say practice makes perfect. So practice. Okay, okay. So guys, do not let them intimidate you, because as someone that is dating, they can try to manipulate and intimidate you. Do not allow it. Be bold. Okay, that's why you're a content creator. Okay, okay. So guys, let me tell you about the website that you can get these brands. And one good thing about this website is they will not only offer you brands. This website is going to help to check your channel, like monitor your channel, like arrange your channel, tell you how your channel is performing, tell you your engagement, tell you your audience, your reach. It's going to tell you everything. Okay, even what your video gets per view, something like it's going to tell you everything. This website is very very nice. Okay, so that's what a lot of people are using, a lot of big influencers, that's what they are using to get brands. Okay, so guys, the name of this website is Social Blue Book. Okay, that's the name. So you will have to connect any account that you want them to manage for you. So you connect the account. Okay, so this app, when you want to, they have free trial, like 14 days free trial. After it, you pay money. You're not there. I have to tell you the truth. I pay money, but it's worth it. Okay, it was. I'll advise you to go for the trial first before you go. So that's where you can get brands, different and many brands to partner with you. Okay, and this media kit is very very important, is I must have. Okay, so guys, I don't want this video to be too long, that's why I just went straight to the point. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please make sure you like the video and leave a comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe so that you get more interesting and educative video that will help you to stand out, to build yourself and build your brand. Okay, okay. So guys, see you on my next video. If you haven't seen my videos, feel free to check out my videos. See you on my next video. Bye guys.